12 Strokes of Midnight. Rhymes for Halloween.
In a neat long row down a dark spooky street sit pumpkins, pumpkins, scary pumpkins. Some big, some small, some round, some tall. But watch out, you all! Pumpkins, pumpkins, scary pumpkins are waiting to meet all who dare venture down this street.
Hocus pocus, yummy locusts, roasted or toasted, sliced or diced in pies or puddings. Nothing quite beats these delectable crunchy treats.
Magic candles light, All Hallows Eve night. Hear spine-chilling shrieks, and bones that shake and creak. Bubbling cauldron, watch out, young children, witches come near, casting spells of fear. Disguised in costume, protects you from doom, to play trick or treat with friends on your street.